In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to use texture by Devious machines to create a unique and expansive soundscape. In this example, a clean recording of an electric guitar will be transformed into this. We're going to use texture to layer a processed version of the guitar back onto the guitar track. First, let's import the guitar sound into texture. If your DAW supports it, you can drag a region directly into texture like this. If not, click Import and select the audio file. Now texture is overlaying the imported guitar sample onto the original track. We're going to put the mix to 100% wet to focus on the processed sound, and then we can adjust numerous parameters. For this tutorial, let's focus on using texture's granular synthesis. Granular synthesis takes tiny fragments of your original sample and uses those fragments to synthesize a new sound. We can switch to granular mode by clicking this button. The sample page now displays various parameters which control the grain size, randomization, also called jitter, and the grain position within the sample. The color knob controls the position of the grains within the sample. By moving this knob, we can create the time stretch effects or even play the sample backwards. The size jitter adjusts the variation of the length of sample that will play back. The position jitter adjusts the range of different start points. Grain size adjusts how much of the sample will be used. And density adjusts the number of grains that play at once. We're going to pitch the sample up by 2 octaves. We're now going to use an LFO to modulate the colour, and we'll choose a downward saw wave. Then adjust the granular parameters to taste. Now we'll add a duplicate of this texture instance on the same channel to add a further layer. Again, we're going to adjust the granular parameters. And reduce the mix to allow both texture instances to be heard. We can then use the EQ tab to bring out desired frequencies. Now a few more granular adjustments. tweak or two to the envelope. Next, reduce the mix to hear more of the first texture layer coming through. Finally, we're going to use Infiltrator to provide some lush reverb and delay to add atmosphere to the new sounds texture has created. And there we have it. A unique, complex layer of sound, full of character, created from a short, clean recording of a guitar riff.